Iran is going to be safe harbor for any Hamas leaders that flee Gaza. So that is exactly why Israel is going to fail, because there will always be a contingent of Hamas that have safe havens somewhere in the Middle East.
Qatar.
If not Qatar, they have options in the UAE, they have options in Saudi Arabia, they have options in Iran, right? Somebody will give them safe harbor, just like Taiwan became the safe harbor for the nationalists in China when Mao Zedong took over. There will always be safe harbor, which is why Israel will fail to eradicate Hamas. It's not going to happen. The question becomes, how long will the United States and the West continue to support the killings of Palestinians before we say enough is enough? Oh, you've already seen the United States pull back support in Ukraine, and that took about 24 months. And that was when a legit third-party outside country invaded their territory. It's going to take much less than 24 months before the United States tells Israel that they need to turn a different way, right? To your point about the hostage negotiation, this hostage negotiation is a fantastic example of how Israel is not nearly as audacious as they claim to be. Qatar and the United States handled negotiations between Israel and Hamas. What does that tell us? First of all, Brian, does the United States negotiate with terrorists?
Apparently, supposedly no.
Supposedly, it is a firm policy that we do not. However, the United States is negotiating with Hamas. So what does that tell us? Hamas is not.
Or the U.S. always negotiates with terrorists, either way.
Exactly. So it gets ugly, dude. It gets really ugly, and that's not a place that an outgoing president competing for re-election, it's not where he wants to be. And it for sure as hell is not the place where a new incoming president wants to start his term or her term.
So fresh on me. Freedom.